Keep your carpet looking fresh with this helpful guide on cleaning and maintenance. While carpets can get dirty, you can easily clean them without professional help. Start by using a carpet broom to agitate and fluff the fibers, then vacuum regularly, ideally twice a week, to remove loose dirt. When it's time to deep clean, prepare a suitable cleaning solution, such as carpet shampoo, a baking soda and salt mixture, or vinegar and water, and test it on a small area first. Apply your chosen solution by scrubbing it into the carpet with a brush, but avoid soaking the carpet to prevent mold. After rinsing, dry the carpet thoroughly, ideally with a fan or dehumidifier. For stubborn stains, use specific methods like detergent for water-soluble stains, dish soap for grease, club soda for tough spots, or even shaving cream for light spotting. Remember to blot stains instead of rubbing, and be cautious with delicate fabrics. Finally, once the carpet is dry, vacuum again to lift the fibers and remove any residual dirt.